Because it is known fact the Brahmanas are engaged in worshipping Vishnu. Brahmana means Vaishnava. Brahmana means Pandit. Therefore two words are used along the word Brahmana. Brahmana Vaishnava, Brahmana Pandit. Sutta Sampanna. The first qualification is Sutta Sampanna. He must be learned scholar in Vedic. Vedic knowledge means Shruti. So that is the first qualification. Ayam hi Sutta Sampanna. So therefore Brahmana is Pandit. Without becoming a Pandit, how one can become Brahman? No. Sutta Sampanna. Sutta Sampanna, then Guru Agni, very respectful to spiritual master Agni, the fire, because a Brahmana has to make fire sacrifice every day. Guru, Agni. And Atiti, Atiti is the sannyasis, they are coming to a Brahmana's house for one chapati. They don't want more. They are called Madhukari. Madhukari means Madhu. Madhu is collected by drop, not in lump. The bumblebee, yes. So they collect a drop. From this flower drop, that flower drop, that flower drop. In this way they make a big honeycomb. So Brahmanas and Kshatriya again, sannyasis, although they are meant for collecting, they do not collect heavy at a place, little, because they are collecting not for his sense gratification. He is collecting for satisfying Krishna. So everyone is given chance. That you give little, you give little, you give little, and whole thing is engaged in Krishna's service. Just like here, we have got the container of flour and container of rice. So although we are feeding 200 men daily, still it can be collected by mushti. Everyone, grihastha, can come and place one mushti atta. That is not difficult for him. He has got children, family. He is consuming 5 kilos of atta daily. Out of that little, if it is put into the temple, he does not feel any burden. Therefore the collection, sannyasi, brahmachari collects little from everywhere. That is called Madhukari. Exactly following the footstep of Madhukar, bumblebee. So this is meant for the householder especially. This is the ideal household. That Guru, Agni, Atithi, Vidhyana, old man also should be taken care of. Nowadays the philosophy is coming, mercy killing. Old man should be killed to show him mercy, because he is burden in the society, the communistic theory. Old man does not do anything and simply eats. Therefore, to show him mercy, he should be killed. Mercy killing. It is the philosophy. Killing is mercy. But this is going on. Mercy killing. Is that mercy killing? What is that? Huh?
They kill someone for that person's benefit.
Benefit. The man killer, will he take that benefit? If somebody comes that I shall kill you for your benefit, that he will be afraid of. But he is philosophizing mercy killing. This is going on. So, one should be respectful also to the old man. According to Vedic knowledge, Brahman, old man, child, woman and cow, they have no fault. They are free. They are not within this jurisdiction of law. Therefore cow killing Brahman killing, woman killing, and elderly person killing, they are accepted as the great sinful activity. Sa Gudbagni Atithi Vidyana Sushushu Ranahankrita. Anahankrita, not with any pride or puffness. Anahankrita, very humbly. Sarvabhuta Suritam. This is the most exalted qualification to become well-wisher of all living entities. Not that we open hospitals for the human being and we send the cows to the slaughterhouse or poor animals to the slaughter. That is not Suita Sarvabhutana. That is partiality. And it has no meaning. If you become envious to other living entities, and if you become friend a particular living entity, that is not good qualification. Suida Sarvabhutana. Sarvabhuta Suit. Sadhu. He is sadhu. Sadhava sadhu bhusana. These are the qualifications of a sadhu. Srida sarvabhutana. Sadhava sadhu bhusana. Everything is described in the Vedic literature. All the description. So this Ajamil's past qualification is described that he was well qualified Brahmana, well trained, because these qualifications become manifested in his life. Then his degradation began. Ekadasu vanangajata pitri sandesha kidija adaya tatva avritya phalapushpa samit kusam dadarsa kaminang kanchit chudrang saha bhujisaya. That this we may describe later on, and how degradation begins, even to exalted person as described, Ajamil. So, the degradation began, Dadarsa, he saw on the way, Kaminam Kanchit Chudram. Chudram, this male-female behavior, nowadays not so much in India, but in the Western countries it is very usual thing. A young man is embracing another young woman or kissing, so there is no fault. But according to Vedic civilization, this is fault. Because it will give chance to others. Nowadays in picture they are also shown to enthuse others to become lusty. And that is the beginning of his fall down. But there is no restriction. The young man, they are seeing daily in the cinema, on the road, in their school, college. But this Ajamil, although he was so exalted a Brahmin, simply by seeing one Shudra. Shudra means who has no training, fools, rascals. So, he was embracing another woman, and that became attractive to this Ajamil, and then he wanted to do the same thing, and he became degraded. This will be described later on. Hare Krishna.